Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit and delete your message in Google Chat. So now all you have to do now, you can open your Google Chat. So you can find it when you open your browser and find this app. Under the apps icon here, there is a chat. Click it. Now here you need to log in into your account, but if you already log in into your Google account, this Google Chat will automatically signing in. So here we go. So here you can try to maybe you want to delete one of your chat or edit it, and here this is the home page. So for example, if you want to delete all the conversation, you can click three dots beside the name, and here just click on delete conversation. Deleting a conversation from your history is permanent. Other participants can still view this conversation if you delete a group chat, so you can delete it. And also there is a direct messages here, so you can see there is a messages from your friend maybe that not on the home page. So here, for example, from my friend, and here if you want to delete the message, for example here, okay, you cannot message this person, maybe there is a some issue here. Let's try again. Let's start a new chat, for example. Now here you can delete, so just click on your chat, click three dots and just delete. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.